The first way, using the VBA code. Just come down to the leave bar here, where you have the sheet name. Just right click, go to view code, come to this button, press it and click on worksheet, and you enter this code, cells dot entire column dot autofit. That's all. And click enter, close the dialog box. That's all. Then you can you see this now? So that's all. When you just close the dialog box, you just come and just click on any cells. You see it's straight. So the columns and rows is now fine. They are good. We are good to go. The second way, let me copy the data. Proceed. Let me copy to another sheet. So it's coming here. So you have it now. To the second method now. So first thing, highlight all your data, set. When you come here, where you have format, and you go to format. Button here, you go to autofit row height. So you do that. So it seems nothing is happening, but just proceed again and do autofit column width. You see that? That's all. You have that. So